As you can see, there's already the light on the Xbox logo. Okay. It will restart again. After restarting, it will restart again. I just hope it's not infinite again and again. So it's currently up 93%. Woo! I'm so excited to play. I'm excited to play. Of course, let's just wait for the system update to be finished so we can already play on our Xbox Series S. Woo! Yes! To be honest, guys, I was so excited to play the Xbox games, most especially the exclusive games from Microsoft. Okay. Oh, okay. So the update is complete. If you okay, so we need to finish setting up on our phone. So I'll get first my phone. So I'm back. So let's finish setting up. Okay, tap next. Okay. So the next option is to choose a power mode. So what is the power mode? It's either energy saving or instant on. I think it's instant on. Or energy saving. It's up to you guys. So okay, instant on. I think you can still change it. And automatic, you need to specify if you want an automatic update. So of course. Of course. Okay. So the next thing is to turn on the remote features. The remote features of Xbox Series S. So okay, so let's turn it on. Now, okay, so the next part is you need to sign up for an Xbox profile. But if you got an existing one, you can log in. So tap next. Woo! Okay. If you got an existing Xbox account, you can already sign in. But since I don't have an account, so I think I've lost it on Xbox 360. So I'll create a new one. Okay, let's create a new one. So tap next. Of course, you need to, in creating the account, you need to input your email address. So type in your email address. Okay, and then of course your password. Create your password. Okay, then tap next. That's very easy. And then you need to create, of course, select your country or region, of course United States, and then birthday. Okay, my birthday. Okay, so just select the month, and then the day and of course the year. So be honest on your birthday on the year. Okay, then tap next. Okay, I need to verify, of course, the email. A code will be sent to my email, so I think I already received it. So check your email for the code. Okay, and then input the code or enter the code which is sent to your email. Then tap next. Okay, actually it's very easy. The setup is very easy. Imagine you can do it on your phone, on your own phone. Just make sure it's your own phone, not a stolen one. Or not a borrowed one. Okay. So they're just confirming that you're not a robot. Okay. Okay. I'm not a robot. I'm a human. I'm in a human form. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is choose your gamer tag. Ooh, gamer tag. This is exciting. So select the graphic. Okay, graphics. Actually, there's a lot of graphics in here. Okay, I think I'll go with the, of course, Xbox logo. As you can see it. And then type a gamer tag. Make sure it's not that long. So according to that, my gamer tag is too long. So after that, then type let's go. After you type your gamer tag, so type let's go. Let's go. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ooh. Yan. So they're creating my Xbox profile. So make sure it's legit. Okay, so you need to the next thing to do is you need to sign in and security preferences. So what do you prefer? I'm thinking it's either no barriers, ask for my passkey, or lock it down. What's that? So I think I'll go for ask for my passkey. Okay, then tap next. Which apps do you want on your console? So of course, actually, you can select from either YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, NBA, Plex, Facebook Watch, Kodi, Ubisoft Connect, Dolby, Crunchyroll, TMX, or World Wrestling Federation. I think I'll skip. I'll just want to play. Will this console be used by kids? Of course, no. It's only being used by an adult. Not now. All done. Explore the Oakvale console updates. Okay. So it's all done. So I'm done. So the next thing to do is turn on your controller. I think the gamer is wrong. It's wrong. Anyway, just press press the Xbox logo from your controller. Okay. Make sure you tap it hard. Tap it hard. And it lights up. Yeah. Then of course press A as shown. Press A. Okay. They need to update the controller. So let's update the controller. So select A. Okay. So for now, there's also an update. That's high-tech. There's also a system update for the controller. That's very high-tech, don't you think? Let's just wait for the update. Okay, it's already applying the update. So wait a sec. Wait a minute. Okay, guys. So the update is already finished. So The controller is already updated. So, press A for next. Hey! Woo! So excited! Yes! Woohoo! Okay. Hey! So, so Microsoft is asking me if I want to join Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. So Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, this is the Netflix of video games, which can be used not just on your console like Xbox Series, Xbox One, but also on your mobile phone and PC. Woo! That's why it's Ultimate. And all the Microsoft own video game publisher can be playable upon release when you're in Ultimate, Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. So I highly suggest you avail Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Okay, let's go. You're all done setting up your Xbox console. Time to play! Woo! There you go. So that's the, okay, that's the menu. That's already the menu of Xbox Series S. Woo! So, of course, there's a lot of, I'm so excited. So, for now, I'm gonna play. I'm gonna download a game and play. Woo! So, that's all the time we got. So, that's how you set up your Xbox Series S. Woo! So, if you like my video, please hit like. And if you got other comment, please comment, or suggestions or violent action, please comment on the comment section below. And of course, you can also share my vlog, and most of all, subscribe and tap the bell button so you can be updated whenever I uploaded an Xbox related vlogs. Woo! So next time, I'm gonna cover the Game Pass, Xbox Game Pass. Woo! Woo! So next, on our next episode, on my next vlog, it will be Xbox Game Pass. Woo! So that's it, guys. So till next time, so cut it out. Bye, guys. Bye. Thank you very, very much for watching. Woo! Woo! I'm gonna play now with my Xbox Series S. Yes!